Networking is something that everyone should get good at as an engineer. When you work in a team, it is important to keep in touch with everyone to make sure that your ideas are understood and implemented effectively. Here are a few tips on networking that you can use to help improve your chances of success in the engineering field. First, build relationships with other engineers. This can be done by go to events and the social gatherings where you can meet people, or by making an effort to ask your team for the recommendations on the people you should meet. Secondly, be prepared to discuss your ideas with others. You know that engineers are usually very good at thinking through problems and coming up with the solutions. So it is very important to get others involved in your brainstorming sessions. Remember to ask questions when you are confused about something. If you are not sure about something, it is better to ask then to continue working on the project and then find out later that you missed an important detail. Next is try to connect with other engineers outside of the workplace. This can be done by joining the online communities or the social networks, or by going to the local engineering events. Remember that networking is a skill that needs to be developed over the time. So don't be discouraged if you don't feel like you are making much progress right away. It just takes a little bit of effort and the time to get good at it. Thanks for watching.